Easy, healthy strawberry protein donuts. You're gonna start with 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of oat flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 packet of PureTrim Strawberry Shake. Go ahead and mix all of these dry ingredients together, and we're gonna move on to the wet ingredients. In a bowl, mix 2 egg whites, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and 3 tablespoons of raw honey. So you mix your wet ingredients together, slowly add your dry ingredients in with your wet ingredients and mix. Once mixed thoroughly, you're going to move this into a piping bag and fill your donut pan. Once you fill up your donut pan completely, you're going to pop that in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. After 15 minutes, you're going to take them out and let them cool while we get started on our frosting. The frosting is super easy. It's just 1 can of organic coconut cream and 1 packet of PureTrim Strawberry Shake. Once you've mixed your frosting, throw it in a piping bag and go ahead and frost your donuts. It is seriously such an easy way to make a healthy treat without derailing your health goals. Head over to puretrim.com to grab your PureTrim Shakes today.